Stuffed cabbage. Impress everyone with this dish. Start by grabbing 2 carrots and grating them. Add the grated carrots to a bowl of ground meat. Season the mixture with salt, pepper, and meat spices. Now, prepare the cabbage. Remove a few leaves and cut the cabbage in half. Take out the inner core and any tougher leaves, creating a hollow in each cabbage half. Save the leftover leaves for later. Use a large spoon to fill the hollows with the meat mixture, smoothing the surface of the filling. Add the remaining cabbage leaves to a blender, along with a whole can of tomatoes. Season with pepper, salt, and 3 cloves of garlic. Pour in 300 milliliters of chicken broth and blend everything until smooth. Place the stuffed cabbage halves in an oven-proof dish and pour the blended mixture over them. Add 2 slices of butter on top, cover the dish, and bake for 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Once done, remove from the oven and let it cool for 10 minutes. This fantastic stuffed cabbage with ground meat is perfect for both lunch and dinner guests. It looks and tastes exceptional.